What's going on, you guys? Florida Kicks here, and Chancla de la Sol. Okay, and today we're doing a review and on-feet of these University of Red.
Ernesto!
Shut up, Ernesto. So basically, this is the whole shoe. Pretty nice shoe, you know. Got that pro Nike check on there. Carbon fiber beige, you hear that? Good ass carbon fiber. Blacked out bottom. Oh, that is all besides the point. Pretty nice shoe overall. This is one of my best pickups for this year, and I'll give it to you on foot review.
Signor,
Shut up, Ernesto. Okay. Earn that money, boy. Check that.
Okay.
Alright, this is all feet. Just like the elite songs.
Oh, lo pagué. Segopa! ¿Qué tal, señor? ¿Qué tal?
Stop, Ernesto.
No, sorry. Sorry.
Or cut it. Earn that money.
Oh. Okay then. Senor, I get paid now?
No, we're not getting Ernesto.
Okay.
Calm down. You gotta earn that money, Ernesto.
Okay.
Alright, pause the video, Ernesto.
Okay.
Alright, so that's it about with the on-feet review. I'm sorry I only used a pair of elite socks and one pair of pants. Ernesto, the impatient. You know, he don't earn that money that well. Well, that's about it. Hey, stop, Ernesto. He didn't really earn his money, but on-feet review. So it's a really nice silhouette of a shoe. I'm thinking about picking up the Wu-Tang Clan foam posits, the Olympic ones, and I might pick up the Black Mamba cages.
Wait, hold on. What the fuck do you mean by I did not earn my money?
Ernesto, be funny.
I'm fucking gone.
Ernesto! Shut up, Ernesto! Well, you know, I'm not by myself now. I gotta hold this, you know, if you want Ernesto back, or you want me to fire him, which I really think, I think you should vote for it. Click that thumbs up button if you want me to fire Ernesto. Ernesto, you're fired. Just hope you know that.
Screw you!
Hold up. I gotta deal with this. Ernesto, just hold on. This is it for the on-feet and shoe review. It's Florida Kicks. I know. Ernesto, get back here.
Fuck you!